Un besito. Wow, wow, yeah, wow.
Assalamualaikum and good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. How are you, Sila? Only Sila has manners.
Ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'm fine. How are you? Good morning.
You're fine.
Okay, very good. Okay, now first tell me, did you practice division questions?
Yes.
Okay. Today we will do division again because today we will revise the division again. Okay. So write division division. Division. Open your notebooks. Today is 20th, and what is the day? Today is Wednesday. And let's start. And we did division also on Monday. So today I will give you questions and you will solve them for me, okay? Without any help.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, write the first question. The first question is 3.
Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, write first question. Ma'am, today is which day?
Wednesday,
No, 18 December
20th January.
or 20.
Okay, 3 divided by 100 and
28.
184. Okay, write this question and solve this question and tell me the answer.
ma'am. Assalamualaikum, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Walaikum assalam, Saifullah. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, we are doing division, Saifullah. So write this question, okay, and solve this question and tell me the answer. There is no D in the table of 3. Tell me the table of 3. Yes. Hurry up, class.
Ma'am, may I swap my pencil?
Yes, sharp it. Azan, do this question. Bisma, Sila, Hafsa, Ishal, hurry up, do this question and tell me the answer. Hurry up, hurry up. Ayansha.
Ma'am, answer 61.
Excellent, Saifullah. Very good. Rest of the class, please. Saifullah has solved the question.
Ma'am, wait for me.
Tell me.
I have done.
Very good, Ayansha. Rest of the class. Done? Abida? Is it there 4 in the table of 3? Now? Okay, so now let's do this question.
3 1 3 6 then I 3 4 3 2 6 no 3 2 are 4.
What? 3 2s are 4? What I told you, please revise the tables at home on daily
No,
basis.
there's no 4. This,
Okay, first we have to find 18 in the table of 3. Is 18 present in the table of 3? Yes or no? Tell me.
by myself.
Very good, Ayansha. Okay, so we have to find 18 in the table of 3. Yes, 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Yes. Then we will do subtraction. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Now what is left? Now 4 is left. But there is no 4 in the table of 3. So we have to find a number which is less than 4. What is less than 4? 3. And 3 ones are 3. Now we will do subtraction. 4 minus 3 is 1. So in this question there is a remainder and the remainder is 1. Whereas quotient is 61. So the answer is 61. Only Ayansha and Saifullah has solved the question.
61
The rest of the class is
is my middle name. I'm writing.
Done?
1 2
Should I raise this?
3 4 yes 5
Okay,
yes
then I'm raising
yes
it.
7 8 9 10 11
Now write the next question.
30 40 What is the next question?
4.
Yes.
Class, you don't know these questions. Please practice these questions at home. Division with remainder. 4 divided by 1, 6,
Easy.
5. Now please do this question without any help. Do it by yourself.
Okay.
Sila, do it by yourself. Okay, Azan, Saifullah, Yansha, Ishal, hurry up, do this question without any help. Hurry up. Tell me the answer. Yes, Sabira, do this question. 165 will be inside the division box.
41.
Out.
Ma'am, answer 41.
Excellent, Saifullah.
41.
Excellent. Okay, now we have to find 16 in the table of 4. First, tell me, is there 16 in the table of 4? Tell me.
4 4s are 60.
Saifullah and Ayansha.
16.
Saifullah and Ayansha, आप दोनों ने नहीं बोलना. Rest of the class, tell me, is there 16 in the table of 4?
Okay.
Shabash. 4 3s are?
4 4s are 16.
Excellent, Ishal. Very good. 4 1s are? Yes. 4 2s are? 4 2s are? 4 2s are? 4 2s are? 8. 4 2s are? 4 3s are? 4 4s are? Yes.
No, 8. No, 16.
Sila. How many times 4 is 16, Sila? Bisma, are you doing this question? 4 or 16. Now what is left? What is left? 5? Right, 5. Now tell me, is there 5 in the table of 4? So what will you do? Find a number which is less than 5. What is less than 5? Yes. How many times 4 is 4?
4.
4 ones are 4.
4 comes in.
4 1
4 ones are 4. The answer is
4. Now do subtraction. 5 minus 4 is? Yes. So the remainder is 1. Okay, class. Now, first we have to find 16 in the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, and 4 fours are 16. That means that 16 is present in the table of 4. So 4 fours are 16.
60.
Now 6 minus 6 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now what is left? Now 5 is left. So we have to find a number which is less than 5 because 5 is not present in the table of 4. So less than 5 is 4 and 4 ones are 4. Then we will do subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1. I don't have space, but you have to write. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the remainder in this question is 1. And the quotient is 41, remainder is 1. Beta, it's easy questions. Why you are not able to do these questions? Except Ayansha and Saifullah. Rest of the class is unable to do these questions. Why? Practice these questions at home, please. These are simple questions.
okay.
Should I raise this? Should I raise
Yes.
this? Okay. Now Sila will solve the next question. Five divided by 256. 256. 256 will be inside the division box and 5 will be outside the division box. Now we have to find that whether 25 comes in the table of 5 or not. So find it. Yes, Abida? Don't write the question here. Write question here.
Answer is 51. Answer
Excellent.
is
Very good. Very good. Ayaan.
no.
Sila, tell me.
Fives are.
Very good. Write this.
Fives are.
Very good, Sila. Now write this. Azan, Bisma, Hafsa.
Ma'am, answer 51. Ma'am, answer 51.
Yes, Saifullah, very good. Ishal, Azan, and Bisma and Hafsa. Please participate in the class. And tell me whether you are solving these questions or not.
I'm part of exciting. Come, sweetie.
Okay, tell me, Salah, then. 5 fives are 25. Now what? What is the next step? Yes, Sila, what is left now? Sila, what is left?
You must write
6.
5 down and then it will 2 minus 2
Beta.
cross. And 5 minus 5. And
Very
you
good.
must bring 6 down.
Yes. Now tell me, is there 6 in 5? 6 is present in the table of 5?
There is no.
Okay, so
No.
what we will do? So what we
We
will
must find a number that is smaller than 6. And 5 smaller than 6. Then 5 1 are 5.
Excellent.
1 is the answer.
Wow. Why is the remainder? Very good. And 51 is quotient. Excellent, Sila. Now you got this. Azan, Bisma, Ishal, and Hafsa, now tell me. Now tell me, did you have any problem in these questions or not? Are you able to solve these questions? Because you're not saying anything at all.
No.
Ji Azan, good morning. Good morning, Azan. You finally woke up. Ji.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, but ma'am.
जी
Ma'am,
बेटा आगे भी बोल दे
One is an easy question.
I'll tell you question.
Yes, please tell me the question. Solve the questions.
Ma'am, I was telling you this question.
But I didn't hear you.
Ma'am,
जी बेटा आगे भी बोलें. जी, I'm listening.
ma'am,
Oh, Azan.
I tell you this question, but I was mute.
So
Someone
don't-
mute me.
So don't mute yourself. Ishal and Bisma and Hafsa, tell me.
I was telling. But
From first.
Okay, Ishal, Bisma and Hafsa. They are mum just. Okay. Veera, now you are able to these questions. Now you're able to do these questions. Okay. So class, tell me, should I raise this?
Yes.
Yes.
Now write the next question from table of 7. 7 divide. Okay, class, listen to me. You have to revise the tables on regular basis. Okay, on daily basis, you have to revise the tables. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to solve multiplication and division. And there are also statement questions. Okay, tomorrow we will do some statement questions. Seven divided by 498. Do this question and tell me the answer. Hurry up, everyone. Excellent. Very good, Ayansha.
Ma'am, answer 61.
Is there 8 in the table of 7? No. So then you must find a number that is smaller. And the answer is 7. 7 1 is 7. And just write.
सिंपल आपने जाके ये जमा करा
This is super easy.
कराना ये मैसेज भेजे फ्रेंड को दिखा देना वो कर लेगा
The answer is 71.
Okay, class, tell me, have you done the question? Is there any need to write the question again?
Yes.
आप सबने कर लिया? Okay. So now write the next question. Yes?
Yes,
Veera,
look,
do this.
without cheating, I did all the questions. And also the 7.
Very good. कल अगर प्रैक्टिस ना कर
I don't know, Bisma.
Okay, class. Now write the next question. It's the last question. Okay, class. I'm writing the next question. Okay. This is the last. This is the last question. Yes, 8 divided by 8 divided by
Wait, I can't see the board, ma'am. I
Why,
cannot
Sila?
see the board.
Check your. Okay, listen to me. Listen to me if you cannot see the board. 8 divided. The question is 8 divided by 7 to 9. Okay. 8 divided by 7 to 9. Now solve the question. Okay, Sila?
Easy.
Bira, now tell me.
9s are 72.
91 is answer.
Excellent. Very good.
Nines are.
Very good, Sila. Now tell
9s are
Very good,
72.
beta. Now tell me, is there 8 in the table of 7? So we have to find a number
Yes.
which is less than
No.
8. And it's so 7.
Ma'am, answer 31.
7. Yes, right. 7 ones are 7. Now put a line, do the subtraction, and then write the next question. Okay, class, everyone has done this question?